Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dance Skiller! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller! As always, you know, so I'm going to present to the rest of this clip. I just have to take this break to make sure I show you what really and truly are going, and then quick and fast let you get back to the rest of the view of this video. Alright, so in this crime scene, if I look over in the bushes, you will see a car that is over there. There is a man that has been killed that was called Rasta Beanie. Rasta Beanie Man, not Beanie Man the entertainer, but that's just the nickname for them fellow person within the community. Alright, now during the time of this video, yeah, everybody is trying to understand if it is police or it is gunman that killed the deceased. Yes, so I say to you. So as I present this video to you, you just can get an idea what go on, is what I say. But bear in mind, before we give you the video, some of the scene in this video might not be suitable due to the fact of how people cry and so forth. And as always, if you need to know more what go on or so on, you have to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with the Dancehall Skiller. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and here we go. I present you with the rest of this video. Please observe.
You must say the police and kill Rasta Beanie, man. You never know what go on. You must say the police, you must say a gunman. We reach on the scene, you never know what go on yet. Yeah, man. See car turn on there, go over there, so right around the bamboo corner, King Lassie or something. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I try to broke you. You have to go right through the bottom ducky. Yeah, man, rest the Beanie Man, they say, go over there, you know. You get corner, car turn down there, go over there, so crowd all get reckless. Yeah, man. Beanie Man sister and Tina go see what go on. Run down with them. I wanna call mama. Hey man, you can't kick over with him over the gully. We're going there, carry. Too much you going there, carry people. You know what I'm going. Probably never get cross. Yeah, man. Who in that car? Yo.
We're not going to make it bad for you, man. Because them man are going to come and come lick one away. We're not going to make it bad. But we're not going to make it bad then now. We're not going to make the man them call back up then now and lick one away from yourself. Go now, be calm, we're not calm.
Satisfaction, you know, two of them go over there to see man.
Marian, hey, look here, let's stop and talk and go to church. Thank you. No police who black to you chat too much now that you don't know. You can't chat so. You chat too much, man. He ate done like this, the dollar jai more take care. The funny it so. Enjoy more take care. Enjoy more take care.
Marian in a hand.
And you relax, man. Support in a man.
The police mother they don't think we know to go over the golf for the mother and brother and sister. So when we can't go for the why we don't look at the picture? I'm calling it. So if somebody make them one family member go look for the man. Yeah, but they don't like actually not to go.